Good morning, you guys. So the kids are off to school. I think I'm gonna do a clean with me today. I don't know if you can see, but my kitchen is a little dirty right now. It is 9:30 in the morning. I've actually been playing video games. Not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna do a little clean with me today or this morning. I'm gonna clean up my entire kitchen. My bar top. Let me show you guys my bar top. I really want to clean that off today. And see that my bar top right there above my sink. I want to clear all that off. It's just gonna be I don't want to say a deep clean, because I usually do my deep cleans just, you know, out of nowhere, just do them. So that's what I'm gonna do. So if you're interested and you want to hang out with me, grab your cup of joe, which I'll probably be refilling mine, and let's get started. Luckily, the boys did the dishes. I just gotta put them away. So yeah. All right, y'all. So my kitchen is like pretty much clean. Like, don't worry about. Let me just go ahead and move this out the way. My light stand, put it on the floor, so a little better, y'all. So this is my coffee station. This is where I keep my oils, my collagen, and my iron tablets. I'm supposed to take it every morning, guys, but sometimes I don't. I keep my cutting boards hanging up on the wall. Here's my stove. It's clean. Like this jar here, you guys have to empty this oil in here, and then I have to clean my pot because we had fried lobster last night, so I gotta clean up my pot. Those always sit there. I have to fix my magnet that my sister got me a couple years ago from Germany. I gotta fix this because it broke. But yeah, this container sits here. My seasoning little caddy sits here. I keep brown rice and sugar and pinto beans right there. I keep it on my counter. And this is where I just have like all my other quick grabbing seasonings and stuff. I have this open because I'm kind of venting it. I just used it. I just had lunch, you guys. I was kind of hungry. I'm currently watching a video at the same time on my iPad. So let's go ahead and move that so it somewhat look clean as well. There we go. So here is the other side of that towel is currently drying, you guys. Something like that. So I have my air fryer. I have my Instapot. My water bottle I'm currently using. I'm about to change out my paper towel roll. And in this basket, I showed you guys this basket before, but this is where I keep like anything open. Like this is empty. I just have to remind myself to pick up this box from Target. The dogs actually like these little treats. But anyways, I keep like recipes over here. I keep apples. The boys stuck their cereal here. We have some throat launcher. We have some throat stuff. We got a little thing of tortillas. We got extra medication. And I keep all that right here in this basket. And I was not going to change it or fix it up for y'all. I just was not. So the boys have been using these. I'm going to have to order some more. And I forgot to put this away. But yeah, so my kitchen counters are all clean. So is my microwave. And now I will show you my sink. Okay, you guys, don't get sick now. All right, so here's the sink area. As you can see, I cleaned off the entire bar top. And then as you can see right here, I have this. It's like a wine glass, but it's not a wine glass, it's a vase. I'm currently cleaning all my vases. As you can see, they're in the sink. And then I have these right here. Don't mind my kitchen table, y'all. I haven't made it over there yet. It's sometime today. So I have to clean the rest of these. And then I just had lunch, like I said, and I put my coffee cup there. So all that is cleaned out. Those are some vases there currently drying. Well, yeah, so that is everything. That is my kitchen. I'm happy it's finally clean. It's only been a week, like it's been that messy, so. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye.